Are you planning to buy your first car or buy another car? Well, congratulations, but if you are, buckle up, Buttercup. You're about to step into a world where smiling salespeople, shiny paint jobs, and special offers are often just bait on a very sharp and financially painful hook. The truth is, car dealers thrive on first-time buyers or uninformed car buyers because they assume that you're walking in blind. And for most people, they got that exactly right. 8 critical things every car buyer must do before buying a car. And this includes first-time buyers and more experienced car buyers too. So everyone should be paying attention here, especially if you want to avoid the traps that dealers love to set for you car buyers. Hi, I'm Kevin Hunter, known online for the last 16 years in the automotive industry as the Homework Guy. At the Homework Guy Show, we're here to make sure that's not you. You came to the right place for the help you need because our mission for the last 16 years has been helping everyone from the newbie car buyers like some of you to more seasoned car buyers. In this video, we'll break down 8 critical things you need to do before you buy a car, especially if you want to avoid dealer traps, bogus fees, and a payment that wrecks your budget. These aren't just good ideas that we're sharing. They're essential moves to stay in control of your money and your decision. The amazing Elizabeth joins me now as we address these 8 common mistakes made by first-timers and even a bit more experienced car buyers.
Kevin has it right. If you're serious about making a smart car purchase, let's jump into the checklist every car buyer needs to know, starting with a major budget mistake that 90% of car buyers make. Number 1, know your budget and stick to it. Don't start shopping until you know your maximum monthly payment, including the cost of insurance, gas, and maintenance as well.
Just don't use the car payment to start your negotiation process.
That's right. Avoid the dealer trick of stretching the loan term to lower your monthly payment. Use the 10 to 15% rule. Your total car expenses shouldn't exceed 15% of your monthly income. Here's a pro tip. Never start by focusing on your car payment like Kevin said. Instead, using online calculators, you can back into your total purchase price from your budgeted monthly payment. This exercise will lead you to a final out-the-door price. That's our OTD to be focused on.
And number 2, get pre-approved for a loan. Shop for financing before visiting any dealership. Credit unions usually offer better rates than a lot of banks do, and particularly better than dealer-arranged financing. Having a pre-approval puts you in control and keeps the finance manager from inflating your rate for profit. Here's a step-by-step how to get pre-approved for a car loan. Check your credit score before applying. Use free tools like Credit Karma, your bank app, or annualcreditreport.com. Pretty much all the apps right now that you have on your phones for credit unions or banks offer free credit score updates. Most lenders offer the best rates to buyers with scores above 700, but many still approve you with a 620 to 680 score. Gathering up some basic info and documents that you'll usually need, like a driver's license or your state ID, proof of income, recent pay stubs, W-2s, or tax returns. If you're in the higher credit brackets, generally you don't need a lot of these proofs. So proof that you could need is proof of residence, like a utility bill, lease agreement, etc., and a Social Security number for credit pull.
You can choose where to apply. Start with credit unions. They offer the lowest rates. You can try banks, especially if you already bank there. Online lenders like Lightstream, Capital One, Auto Navigator are some options out there. Avoid starting with the dealership itself. They'll often mark up your rate for profit. Then you submit your application. So is that a soft pull or a hard pull?
A hard pull.
Some lenders do a soft credit pull at first, which doesn't hurt your score. Once you accept the offer, expect a hard inquiry. If you apply with multiple lenders within a 14-day window, which is common, credit bureaus typically treat it as one inquiry for auto loan purposes. So then you review your bank or credit union's offer. A good pre-approval includes a maximum loan amount, which is based on your credit and income, an estimated interest rate, the APR, the loan term options like 60 or 72 months, don't go longer than that, and the monthly payment estimate. Here's a note, pre-approvals are usually good for 30 to 60 days.
Take the pre-approval to the dealer, but don't mention it right away to them. Don't tell the dealer you're pre-approved until after negotiating the price of the vehicle. Let them think you're using their lending. That puts you in the driver's seat, literally and financially. A bonus tip right here, dealers often try to beat your rate if you show up with a pre-approval because if they can, they'd love to have your financing too.
That's right. Number 3, know the out-the-door price, not just the sticker price. Always demand an itemized OTD price before stepping foot on the dealer lot. Do this over the phone from the comfort of home. OTD is your car price, plus taxes, title, and license, and every fee that you need to pay. Don't fall for the $4.99 doc fee or $1,500 reconditioning fee that weren't disclosed up front.
Number 4, understand what you actually need in a vehicle, not just what you want. Make a list of must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Example, all-wheel drive, third-row seating, backup camera, things like that. Don't let a salesman upsell you into features you'll never use. Those can add thousands of dollars to your car purchase. A tip right here, research comparable models. Sometimes a different brand offers more value.
That's right. Number 5 is research common dealer scams. We need your cosigner here to do the deal with you. You need this $2,000 warranty to qualify for financing.
As if the bank wants you to spend more money than the car itself.
We already applied the tint. It's not removable. I suggest you binge watch our homework guy videos to see a lot of real-life examples.
Number 6, if buying used, get a pre-purchase inspection, otherwise known as a PPI. Use companies like Lemon Squad or Palm Car. The cost is about $150 to $200. Even a certified pre-owned vehicle can hide damage or mechanical problems. A warning sign right here, if a dealer won't allow a pre-purchase inspection, just walk away.
Totally. Number 7, control the conversation with the dealer. Call or email first and say, I'm calling about stock number 123XYZ. I want you to go out and verify it's on the lot. When you call me back, I'll tell you what's next. Then always be ready with what's next.
That's right.
Then ask for the written out-the-door price. If you're not confident negotiating, we strongly recommend that you hire someone who is, like the Homework Guy team.
And that's our hassle-free car buying service.
Yeah.
So number 8, decide how you'll pay. All cash, and some financing, or leasing. This is a big one. Most first-time car buyers jump straight into financing without even stopping to ask what payment method makes the most sense for their goals. So before you set foot in the dealership, decide, are you going to be all cash, some loan, all financing, or are you thinking about leasing? Let's break it all down. All cash buyers, some pros are no interest charges on a loan, no monthly payments to make, full ownership from day one. Some downsides, ties up a lot of your liquid cash. You may lose investment opportunities if your money could have earned more elsewhere.
Here's a warning for you. Dealers may pressure you to finance because they make kickbacks on loan placements. You don't have to take the bait if cash is your plan. The next option is some cash and some financing. This is the most common and flexible option. For example, you put $5,000 cash down and finance the rest with your pre-approved loan.
And always do it 62 months or longer because there's no prepayment penalty.
That's right. This lowers your monthly payment and reduces the total interest paid. Here's a pro tip. The more money you put down, the less risk you are to the bank and the less leverage the dealer has.
100% financing is an option, but be very careful here if you go that route. There's some risks involved. Higher monthly payments is one of them. Higher total cost due to interest. Easy to go upside down if your car depreciates faster than your loan balance, and that could be kind of disastrous.
That's right. Only use this if you have excellent credit, minimal savings, and a stable job, and you're buying a car that holds value well, not a new SUV, for example, with $5,000 in markups. Then leasing. It sounds cheap up front, but here are some pros. It is a lower monthly payment and a new car every few years. Here's the con. You don't own the car. You have mileage limits and strict wear and tear rules, and there can be surprise fees at the end of the lease.
Homework Guy, bottom line, leasing only makes sense in rare cases like business write-offs or short-term needs. Most buyers are better off financing a reliable used vehicle and owning it outright.
That's right. The dealer trap alert here, don't answer this question. Don't answer this question, how are you going to pay? When they ask early on, it's a setup. Instead say, that depends on the deal that you give me. Let's get the numbers right first. This keeps you in control and forces them to negotiate on the vehicle price, not just how much they can squeeze out of your loan.
And squeeze you, they'll do. Some final advice, don't rush. Don't be pressured. Take your time. Buying a car is the second most expensive purchase most people make after buying a house. Dealers bank on you being unprepared because you only do this every so many years.
Right.
You flip the power dynamic by doing just a little homework. Need help reviewing your deal before you sign? I can walk you through our legal checkup or OTD review service too.
Folks, you do not have to put up with crap from a car dealer's sales floor or the finance office. If you want us to go toe-to-toe with a car dealer on your behalf and protect you from this kind of dealer nonsense, read up on our hassle-free car buying service at thehomeworkguy.com.
We do all the work, so you don't have to.
That's right. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. We're here to keep car buyers informed, protected, and one step ahead of dealership games. And if you didn't already do it, visit our website, thehomeworkguy.com, and download our totally free car buyers checklist. It will help you DIY car buyers avoid the bad dealer behavior. Stay smart, stay sharp, and as always, don't let the ruthless dealers out there take you for a ride.
And don't let the bed bugs bite.
Uh-huh.
To all of you long-term viewers and subscribers out there, you guys rock. God bless you all. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, signing off on behalf of Alex Stevens, our auto expert, the amazing Elizabeth, our negotiation genius, and the entire team of skilled coaches we have in our hassle-free car buying service. Please stick with us a moment as we scroll through our recent car buying service reviews. Thank you for watching.